Anyway, so, you know, we pick up a patient, and we have to take them to our regional hospital here. 30 minutes waiting on a bed for an ambulance is, you know, a rescue truck, whatever is there transporting, is a long time. I waited for almost 3 hours for a bed. My patient needed a bed, obviously, and they were so understaffed or whatever reason. 3 hours. Wow. So I don't know what's going to happen with that, but that's nuts. That's unacceptable. That ain't going to work. Anyway, I can't force them to. I mean, I could legally just leave the patient with them, but that's not exactly advocating and taking care of the patient. But anyway, that's not. Y'all don't care about that. We got a Ram with a crankshaft position sensor that needs replaced. It's the one I'm actually in right now. It popped up, gave me the code on it the other day, and it's showing it as a permanent code. So we're going to swap that crankshaft position sensor and show you just how easy that is. So come with me. All right, coming under this Ram 3500 rather. So that's looking out of the front. You were just to the driver's side of the engine. This is the plug you're gonna get. So this little red tab, get you up in there. That little red tab. You see, I've already loosened mine. But the little red tab, you just push it through. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it where I can still show it to you. I can't tell what I'm filming. Let's see. There it is. So we're gonna unclip. Alright. Sometimes it does come out all the way, but that is it's just a lock for this. So then you can take your squeeze tab. It's going to require 2 hands, but there's your squeeze tab, and that bolt on the side. Can you see it? Or that little bitty bolt. It's a 5mm Allen head. I went ahead and broke it loose just so that it was kind of tight. So I knew filming and taking it loose weren't going to happen. But 5mm Allen goes in there. Undo it, and we'll pop that thing loose so you can see what we're looking at. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Like I said, that little white plug going to it, it's just a squeeze tab. You can kind of see up in there. It's going to be hard to orient it the wrong way, but you just push that back into place. There we go. Put your plug back on. And we'll put that Allen head bolt back in there and line it up, snug it up, and then we'll put my lock, little red lock, back, slide it back through this way, and that's it. So let's see if the let's run some live data on my truck now that we've replaced that. Let's see if it tells me anything. Hey, okay, no DTCs. Let's crank it and see what happens. Nothing stored. Yes. Okay. Alright. Well, I'd have to go back and see. That one wasn't pulling on the ABS system. No freeze frame data. Global OBD2. Let's see if we pull anything. Nothing. Alright, I'm happy. Tell your place if you've got, I think it was code 0335. And that's just the Ram, get my lighting right here. The Ram 3500 that pulls for a camshaft positioning sensor. Quick and easy. Hope that helps.